आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांता दास का संबोधन शुरू हो गया है आरबीआई के 90 साल पूरे होने पर। वहीं पर हम लिए चलते हैं दर्शकों को।
Here all our invitees and each one of you who has made it convenient to be here. The Reserve Bank's evolution as an institution has been closely intertwined with the development of the Indian economy. From being a central bank primarily concerned with allocation of scarce resources during the planning period, the Reserve Bank has transitioned into being an enabler for the market economy. We are a full-service central bank with our functions spanning multiple dimensions. It has been our endeavor to promote the financial sector, promote a financial sector that is robust, resilient, and future-ready. The path-breaking structural reforms, such as the enactment of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code and the adoption of flexible inflation targeting in the recent years, have helped us to deal with the challenges in the banking system and the task of maintaining price stability more effectively. Given the rapid changes taking place in today's world, especially in the areas of technology, innovation, business practices, and growing complexities in the financial sector, the Reserve Bank is constantly evaluating the emerging trends and taking necessary policy measures to remain in sync with the changing times. Our effort is to anticipate situations and take proactive measures. The global turmoil arising from the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing geopolitical hostilities have tested the resilience of every economy in the world, including India. The well-calibrated and coordinated monetary and fiscal policies adopted in our country went a long way in shielding our economy from these shocks and helped us to emerge even stronger than before. It's a matter of satisfaction that today our GDP growth is robust, inflation is moderating, the financial sector is stable, the external sector remains resilient, and the forex reserves are at an all-time high. Over the years, the Reserve Bank has emerged as a symbol of stability, resilience, and commitment to the welfare of our citizens. This has been possible due to the contributions made by generations of the Team RBI. As we move towards RBI at 100, the Reserve Bank remains focused on ensuring a stable and strong financial system that would act as a bedrock for our country's economic progress. With these words, let me once again welcome the Honorable Prime Minister and the other dignitaries present in the dais and each one of you who is present here in the audience to this commemorative event of 90 years of the Reserve Bank. Thank you. Namaskar.